Yo, what's up everybody? Saturday afternoon, beautiful weather, 5 p.m, very hot. We come back to Bangkok and we decide to show you the biggest actually weekend market, not night market, just the weekend market, which is Chatuchak market. I make a last time video here, but many of you asking me till now, can you go to Chatuchak market? I'm here again. So let's go. And as this market is just literally huge, today I decide I just gonna walk on one of the sides of the market, one of the main alley, as long as I have energy and my camera not gonna get overheated, because I've been here 2 times already filming and always my camera gets badly overheated with the warnings that it's overheated, it's that hot. So today I'm gonna just show you without the editing, probably most likely natural stroll around. Well, that's basically how does it look like. The alley is going till endlessly, you cannot see the end. So many visitors from all around the world and so much things to buy here. I mean, you can buy literally everything what you just imagine. So if you are into shopping, and Bangkok actually it is into the shopping, either we like it or not, this is the shopper paradise. But of course this is like a market shopping, not really into Louis V original stuff or any other luxury shopping. If you want a luxury shopping, you can go to the malls, also are plenty around across Bangkok. But this one is market. You can buy a rainbow t-shirt, for example, if you want, and other t-shirts, clothes, obviously dresses, and whatever you wish. Of course, you can get also inside if you want, and also so many people walking around. But that's how it looks like. You can buy also Hawaiian t-shirt or the flower t-shirts if you want, like actually the shirt with the short sleeve. Clothes, obviously clothes are the most dominant on this market. Most of the things are actually regarding the clothes, but also you can find food options time to time. Also on the other side of the market there is the food section where you could have some snacks, lovely food, and also you can buy the shoes and also some souvenirs, like a proper Thailand souvenirs, and some decorations and some homeware, and even some plants. But well, this is one of the streets, and currently actually mostly they are clothes. Obviously there are a lot of options. Also everything here on this market is very affordable actually. Since we are living here, we visited many markets and many malls. I'm gonna tell you actually this Chatuchak is pretty good place. Also cannabis is here like everywhere. But Chatuchak, regarding the prices and the souvenirs options and the food options, is actually pretty affordable. At the beginning I was thinking this is actually more expensive, you know what I mean, because it's like a tourist place, but maybe because it's so huge and well, attract people, like thousands of people on the weekend from all around the world, actually it's very affordable. So if you are looking to buy something, definitely here will be cheaper than on the streets on the Sukhumvit Road, for example. That's without that. And many of the places here also having a fixed price, like this one, for example. Yo, what's up? Cannabis everywhere. Currently it's legal, either we like it or not. You can buy some pens for 200 bahts, for example. This is like a few dollars only, and it's actually very affordable. Here are some tops for the ladies for 160. Some bags here, also very nice, printed with the actually cool designs. And you can also get inside of these markets, of course. We're not gonna get on today's occasion, but this is like endlessly huge market with over 16,000 stalls, independent stalls. So yeah, well, if you haven't been here never watched my videos for some reason, you are just clicking this for the first time, you can imagine as the market is actually giant. It's not even huge, it's just simply giant. Or as my friends say, massive. It's called me massive. Also some nice decorations here, watches and stuff like this one, fans, tattoo. I mean, this is like not permanent, this is like temporary, I think. Airbrush, body paint actually, something like this. Baby shark, balloon for kids, everything is here. And also time to time you can find the stars with the food, obviously. Like this one, so it's actually not so bad. I'm gonna show you a little bit on the other side of the street maybe right now, to show you what we can find. Also the crowds, as I said, so many people from all around the world. Locals, tourists from Western countries, tourists from Asia, other countries. I mean, like literally from all around the world, which is actually cool and beautiful, as the people from all around the world coming to the one market in Bangkok. dresses for 300 bahts here, and shirts. Well, everywhere they are clothes actually, basically, but that's how it looks like. For ladies, for men, whatever you even wish, you can find here. Let's focus on the other side. This guy, probably Russian because having a t-shirt with the Russian words, but there are many Russian people right now everywhere, especially in Thailand and in Asia. So you will not surprise if you're gonna find them everywhere around. In case if you ask me, because you never know, watch my videos previously and you're thinking about my accent, I'm originally from Poland, not from Russia, just in case. Anyways, that's how it looks, the situation here. They also have Indian hats here at the front. I don't know if you can see that. And crowds are, I mean, more deeper I'm actually going to this market. It's only busier and busier. This girl have a very interesting outfit though as well. So you can find many subcultures as well in the one place. And also my favorite part of this market are these Coca-Cola boutiques, shops, little shops of Coca-Cola. My family always thinking as Coca-Cola sponsor me. Unfortunately not, Coca-Cola not sponsor almost anybody. They don't need any sponsors. And it's actually sponsor anybody because there's the brand. But I just like Coke, right? So that's how does it look like. There's like a shop with the tiger. This is Japanese brand, Tiger something, the shoes, but this ones are fake. Actually, you can get some cheap replicas for like less than 200 baht. So yeah, also the Converse sneakers and stuff like this one. And meanwhile, that's how does it look like on the streets. Actually super busy, right? And on the other side is actually more clothes for the ladies. On the other side is a little bit more into merchandise recently like this one. And some accessories, basically. A lot of is going on. Here recently some clothes again and again. Army, rock army, for example. Many things. People are coming here, making pictures, videos, walking into all directions. Actually, like this one is like going on the middle, and many people going into right, into left. Nobody wants to crash into you, but that's how it does it look like, right? And yeah, that's how it does it look. This is the food options a little bit over here as well. As you can see, quite a lot of people in general everywhere. And shoes. You can also buy the Yeezys, I can see already. The guy is singing here and playing the guitar, so you can find some buskers on the street actually as well. And on the other side of the street right now, you can even find some G-Shock Asia. But this is not original G-Shocks, by the way, so keep it in mind, guys. If you wanna buy original G-Shock, you have to go to the mall and find the licensed shop of the G-Shock. You're not buying this on the market. And there is some coffee shops as well, like this one. So, plenty of options. Beautiful dresses also on the other side. And overall, people coming to this market, I could say, just for having stroll a little bit, because it's only on Saturday and Sunday, only 2 days a week. They open on Friday night for 2 or 3 hours only, like a warming up, but overall full day is open only on Saturday and Sunday, and today is Saturday already after 5 p.m. I recommended to come here at this time. Well, because maybe it's busier than morning, but the temperature is already slightly more acceptable. It's still very hot, but it's slightly more acceptable. If you're gonna come here at 12 o'clock, I wish you really good luck to strolling around with this heat. Recently, the temperature in Bangkok and in Thailand, let's say in Phuket where we were a few days ago, but also right now in Bangkok is about 35 degrees during the daytime. Even right now it's 32 or 33. Also, they have a bar full of people, photographers, and well, people enjoying the time, loud music, because they have a DJ actually here. So they're selling the pad thais and they have a DJ. DJ is actually this one, the guy from the, I don't know, Western countries I could say, and also many visitors, they're actually Westerners for some reason in the bar, not so many locals. But that's how it looks, and you can find the places like this one also here in the market. So, not only like a local vibe, but you can also find some Western vibes as well. So it's actually also pretty cool. And more we are going into different direction. To the corner, actually, I could say that's the one of the entrances of exit is getting actually more and more busier, I could say, right? And more into decorations, actually, accessories right now. You can find something like that. A little bit less clothes, more accessories. There's statues of the tiger. And there are students, baskers as well, actually playing, making some extra coin for their school or just for their own expenses after school, and another Coca-Cola kiosk. So that's how does it look like. We're gonna go a little bit more into that direction. There's actually more into now accessories and homeware, like, you know, you can buy some aroma for the house, like air purifiers, also some clothes, but also over here gonna be more into plants and stuff like this one. Even you can buy the Mai Tai pants or bikini, for example, next to each other actually. So basically a lot of stuff here. Guys, refreshing Coke. I know healthy, not healthy, but I deserve. I was talking for 10 minutes straight, very fast. I don't know even how I can do it. That's the skills. Yesterday I passed 1,000 daily vlogs. Can you imagine that? That's nearly 3 years, but 1,000 days filming every single day. You know what I mean? It's crazy. I hope so. You appreciate what I'm doing. Now I have my Coke. I deserve, definitely I deserve. Cheers, 25 baht only in the glass bottle. Very cool. See you tomorrow. See ya.